everyone, welcome to the Baking Biker. We are starting a 6-day extended weekend getaway where we will be joining the Washington State BMW riders for a rally in Republic, Washington. Today we're going to be heading east on Highway 2 across Stevens Pass, have a little lunch in Leavenworth, Washington, and then head north on Highway 97 and continue up to Winthrop, Washington, and that will be our destination for the day. So, let's ride. Well, we're back on the road. A little weekend getaway here. We're just headed east on Highway 2, just left Sultan, Washington. We're going to head over Stevens Pass. It's a beautiful pass, but today it's going to be a rainy pass. The weather forecast for today is 90% chance of rain. So we will be getting rained on today, so it won't be the best ride in the world. It won't be the prettiest. It's really pretty when it's sunny out. So, and it's also very pretty in the winter time when all the mountains and hills have snow on them. We're just headed across Stevens Pass over to Leavenworth, which is a cute little Bavarian style town, and we'll stop there, get all this rain gear off because it won't be raining once we get across the pass, and it'll be warm out, and we'll stop there and have some lunch. So hopefully I get some decent videos for you. Rick is on his BMW R1200 RS, and Bill is riding a Harley, and I always forget what Harley that is. And I am riding my new Triumph 800 Tiger, and it's an XRX low, and I have really been enjoying this motorcycle. It's been really smooth, corning's been going well. I haven't loaded up with lots of luggage, haven't even felt anything moving around back there, don't even know I even have luggage back there, so that's been great. And that luggage is huge. I pack light, but I still have room for more, so I know when we go to Utah in September I'll have space for everything. As you can see, it's raining. Yep, it's raining. It's one of those days where the percent of rain here was like 90%. Yeah, we were going to go over what's called the North Cascades Highway, which is Highway 20, but their percent chance of rain was also 90% and almost 2 inches of rain today. We decided to go over Stevens Pass, Highway 2, because the rain percent is still the same, but amount of rain is supposed to be just around a ½ an inch. So we thought this would be better. And so far the ride has been really nice on the way here. We haven't hit the rain that we thought we were going to, but we knew once we hit the pass, there's no way around it. It will be raining on us. So we're here in the rain. So you won't get the best views here because I know there's raindrops on that GoPro. So once we get across the mountains and over to Leavenworth, it should be sunny and warm, and we'll stop there and have lunch. So we just got to get across the pass and across the mountains. So we're truly in rain. We're now gaining altitude here at Stevens Pass, and this would be some beautiful views if it wasn't raining and cloudy. Too bad it's not a beautiful sunny day. So far the motorcycle is handling really nice in this rain. I have it in rain mode right now, and it's been handling really nice. So I've been really happy with it. I know I keep on saying that, don't I? Anyway, I have been very happy with this motorcycle. It's really foggy up here. I don't know if you can see anything. I don't see much. I see Bill and a white car in front of us, and that's kind of it. So it's getting kind of foggy up here. We're in the clouds. That means the clouds are around 4,000 feet. Stevens Pass, when you go past the ski area, is about 4,500 feet elevation there. So yeah, we're in the clouds now. It'll be nice to get out of the rain and out of these clouds. Pretty much out of the rain. There's still some raindrops, still some clouds, but there's some blue sky up there now. The road is pretty much dry now, so and the temperatures are going back up to, well, it's almost 60 degrees. Got to about 50 degrees at the pass. It's about 60 degrees now. Leavenworth, Bavarian Village. Willkommen. Oh, we're not going to go down through the middle of town. We'll be taking a little different road. But we will be back, and you will get to see it. But we are going to kind of go through the back side of town to get to this restaurant. Anyway, we'll get here Fresh Burger Cafe and have some lunch. We're leaving Chelan now. Chelan. Oh, we're just talking about Lake Chelan. Anyway, we're leaving Leavenworth. Had a nice lunch at, let's see, it was Fresh Burgers Cafe. Rick and I shared a, what's it called? A Burger Meister or something like that. It was Bratmeister, that's what it was, a Bratmeister, I think that's what it was called. Anyways, a brat patty, not a brat sausage, but a brat patty, and it had caramelized onions and sauerkraut on a, let's see, it was a pretzel roll or pretzel bun. It was good. Well, we're back on the Columbia River. We just passed Rocky Reach Dam, and we're here on the west side of the Columbia. This is the alternative 97 on the west side. On the east side is Highway 97. We're here at Entiat Park, and this is where we're going to take a little break and take off that last liner, because yeah, it's like 80 degrees outside. Nice little park. Looks like they have a boat launch and picnic areas, and yeah, there's the boat launch. I don't even have a campground. Wow, pretty nice little park. Nice statue. Rick will always find the shade. Wherever we go, he will find the shade. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to park right here in the corner. Onward to Lake Chelan and then Winthrop. Lake Chelan, coming into Chelan now. There is Lake Chelan. At the end of the lake down there is the town of Chelan. And you saw that last year on my Columbia River trip, where we went in from a different way into Lake Chelan and spent the night. We walked down to the Chelan Dam that feeds into the Columbia River. So this lake does feed into the Columbia River. We're in the Methil Valley here, still on our way to Winthrop. As you can see, way off in the distance is the pass where we would be going across on Highway 20. We wanted to come across Highway 20 coming here, but it was raining so bad. We were getting almost 2 inches of rain on Highway 20, so we opted for Highway 2, Stevens Pass. But Highway 20 is the most beautiful pass in Washington. So off in the distance, way over there, is where we would have been coming through to come to Winthrop. Instead, we did Highway 2 because they were only expecting about a ½ inch of rain instead of 1.8 inches of rain on Highway 20 today. It's too bad because it's a beautiful pass. Well, we'll continue on to Winthrop, get checked into our B&B, the Chewich Inn, go have some dinner, and call it a night. I hope you enjoyed today's ride. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching.